This is going to be a quick video on finding the first term of the sequence. This question is from a previous video on finding the common difference. So in that video, we found that the common difference was 5. The video looks like this. So we found the common difference being 5. And so having this piece of information, we know that the second term is, in the previous video I've also explained how to find the first term, but we know that U2 is 1 and U7 is 26. And we can use either of these information and the common difference to actually find the first term. The easiest method right now is to actually just use the formula. So the UN equals to U1 plus n minus 1d. You could use either of these right now since you know the common difference. So I could use U2. I know that U2 is 1 and U1 is what I'm trying to find. And the position of 1 is the second position, so 2 minus 1, and the common difference is 5. If I simplify this, I'm going to get 2 minus 1 is just 1. So 1 times 5 is 5. And so U1 is equal to 1 minus 5, and that is negative 4. So that's just using the U2. What if we use U7? We should get the same answer. So U7 would then be U1 plus 7 minus 1, and the common difference being 5. Well, we know what U7 is. That's just 26. And to simplify this, we're going to go 26 equals U1. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have 6 times 5. I'm obviously going much slowly here, so you can do it much quicker starting from the step. And then U1 is just 26 minus 30. And that would give you negative 4 as well. So we should match the same answer. So negative 4. Another way to check your answer would be to just use the formula again. So let's say you are trying to find U7, and you go U1 plus 7 minus 1 times the common difference, negative 4 plus 7 minus 1 is 6, and then 30, and then negative 4 plus 30 would be 26, and that would be U7. So you've checked your answer. Many ways to check your answer, many ways to find the answer, U1. In this case, assuming you have the common difference. This question was actually two parts. So first part was to find the common difference, and once you found it, you can find the first term. It was worded differently. It said find the first term and the common difference. So obviously it's much easier to find the common difference and then the first term. Or using the method I showed in this video, you can use simultaneous equations, and so you can find either of them.